Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable screen lock in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the chats icon down below and then tap on your initials at the top of the screen on the left side. Click on settings, scroll down and tap on privacy. Here scroll down to app security and you have the second feature, which is screen lock. So you can use Touch ID to unlock the Signal. As you can see, tap on this button on the right side of the screen and then set the screen lock timeout ranging from 1 minute to 1 hour. You can set it to instant as well. So basically that's it. As you can see, it has been set. If you want to disable it, just tap on this button again and it will be turned off. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.